Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I will be showing you how to make your own custom thumbnails. And as you can see, I have been busy and I have made this little text thing for my channel, which wasn't here before, it was just blank. And now I have games and more, the ultimate channel. It's also changed my avatar. And yeah. So in this video today, I will be showing you how to create your own thumbnail, custom thumbnail for your video, kind of like this one. So as you can see, innovation tick, I've created my own custom thumbnail. So it's going to be kind of like that, but you could customize it on whatever you want. The only thing you're going to need, which is free, is www.canva.com. Just sign up, it's free. And you're going to have to look through. So you're going to see all these, create a design. You're going to want to scroll down till you see social media and email headers. Now, you can either make your channel art, which is right here, which I made my own channel art, or YouTube thumbnail. Now that is what we're going to use for our YouTube thumbnail. And we go back to my designs. So this is probably the thumbnail of this video, and I can show you how to create that. So all you do is click on YouTube thumbnail, and it'll start loading, and you'll have this, a blank page. Now it's going to give you a bunch of these free layouts of what you can use. These are all just free. Some of this actually costs some money to get. So, yeah, say you want like something like this background. You would just click this, and now you can click on the text and actually edit on what you want in this picture. Also, if you don't want any of this, if you don't want anything of like any of these, any of these templates, there is a thing for you. So let's just delete them. Say you don't want any of your templates and you want to create your own template. Go to backgrounds, and it'll come with all these free templates for backgrounds, like these. Say you wanted a background, you could just do this. Or if you wanted something else, these cost money, but if you wanted any of these to make your custom backgrounds, you can use them. Or if you want to use your own background, like an image for your own background, you can do uploads and upload your own image. Now I'm going to go down to my images on where my image is. Say you want an image like some of these. Say you want this image. It uploads, and voila, once it's fully uploaded, you can drag your image into the screen. Once your image is dragged into the screen, you can resize it to where you can make it as a background. You can also move this text if you want, change its color. do a bunch of other stuff. And voila, you have your thing. So once you have your area, you have your image, you're perfect with your image. You like it, it's good. Oh yeah, you could also add a bunch of shapes, graphs, whatever you want. Once you're done with your image and you're like, oh, this is good, you click download. And it should come up with a preferred one if you're on Windows 10 like me. Some of them are different. I think it's a PNG you're supposed to pick. Yeah. And you'll get like this. I'll download it and it should pop up right here somewhere on the side. Somewhere it should pop up. And once that has popped up, you are good. You have your thumbnail. So once you got your video, once I got my video, you just go back to your channel. You go to Creator Studios, which will take you to this Video Manager, or if it doesn't take you to Video Manager, it's Video Manager, and you could just click Edit on any of your videos that you posted, like this one, and you should see your three main ones that you could pick for your thumbnail. But then at the bottom here, there should see custom thumbnail. But if it does not show custom thumbnail for you, you want to go to YouTube settings. And you should see this. You want to click view this additional features. And then you should enable custom thumbnails, or if it doesn't allow you to enable it, you probably it'll take you to this website where it tells you how to enable your thumbnail. Like I had to put my phone number, and you had to type in a code that was sent to you to enable custom thumbnails. So once you've got your custom thumbnails, you just click it and you put it onto your video. And that's pretty much it. And thank you for watching. See you later. Bye!